Well, an Indian citizen has been murdered in cold blood in the custody of the Pakistan state. The Pakistani establishment must account for his death. Repeatedly, over all these years, Government of India has been pursuing with the Government of Pakistan that a humanitarian view needs to be taken with regard to Sarabjit Singh. In fact, if my memory serves me correctly, in 2005, the Prime Minister of India took it up with the then President of Pakistan that a humanitarian and a compassionate view needs to be taken with regard to Sarabjit Singh's case. Ever since that, every year at the apex level of both the External Affairs Ministry and the other instrumentalities of government, Sarabjit Singh's case has repeatedly been taken up with the establishment and the government in Pakistan. Our hearts, our minds are one with the family of Sarabjit Singh. What happened is extremely inhuman. It is barbaric, and that is not the manner in which a civilized society treats prisoners, or a civilized state treats prisoners in its custody. Government of India stands with the family of Sarabjit Singh in their hour of grief, and we will do everything which is there within our command, which is there within our remit, to see that or to facilitate the return of Sarabjit Singh ji's body back to India. And we do hope that today everybody would rise above partisan politics and be one in condemning the barbaric and the murderous assault which led to the death of Mr. Sarabjit Singh.
मनीष जी, बीजेपी ने इसको बड़ी कूटनीतिक विफलता कहा है भारत सरकार की, जिस तरीके से हमला हुआ सरबजीत पर और उसकी मौत हो गई वहां पर, सरकार सोई रही।
देखिए, एक भारतीय नागरिक की पाकिस्तान के संस्थान के भीतर बर्बरता से हत्या कर दी गई, और पाकिस्तान के संस्थानों को इसका हिसाब देना चाहिए। 2005 से निरंतर और लगातार भारत की सरकार पाकिस्तान की सरकार से बातचीत करती रही है, उन्हें ये कहती रही है कि एक मानवीय दृष्टिकोण सरबजीत सिंह को लेकर अपनाया जाना चाहिए। अगर मेरी याददाश्त सही है तो 2005 में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी ने तत्कालीन पाकिस्तान के राष्ट्रपति से खुद इस मामले के ऊपर बातचीत की थी, और उसके बाद हर साल भारत की सरकार, विदेश मंत्रालय, भारत का पाकिस्तान में दूतावास सरबजीत सिंह का मामला पाकिस्तान की सरकार के साथ उठाता रहा है। जो हुआ है वो अत्यंत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, दर्दनाक है, उसकी जितनी निंदा की जाए उतनी कम है। और आज इस दुख की घड़ी में, इस संकट की घड़ी में भारत सरकार, कांग्रेस पार्टी सरबजीत सिंह जी के परिवार के साथ खड़ी है, और हम वो सब कुछ करेंगे जो जरूरी है कि उनका पार्थिव शरीर वापस लाया जाए। और हम ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि आज एक बहुत ही दुखद दिन, जब एक भारत के नागरिक के मानव अधिकारों का हनन हुआ है, उसकी हत्या हुई है, दलगत राजनीति से ऊपर उठकर सभी राजनीतिक दल एक आवाज में, एक सुर में जो भारत की जनता की भावना है उसको उद्घोषित करेंगे।
Manish, where do you think the Pakistan state has failed? Do you think it is in not being able to provide enough security, or do you think there was some that it was complicit in what has happened?
Well, I do not want to make a value judgment, but the fact remains that Mr. Sarabjit Singh was in the custody of the Pakistani state, and it is incumbent upon all governments to provide humanitarian treatment to prisoners in their custody. In fact, if you go back in history, one of the first international treaties which emerged and laid down the rules of engagement was the Geneva Convention in 1919, which mandated as to how prisoners of war be treated. The same extends to any foreign national who may be in the custody of another country. So therefore, there has been an abject failure of the Pakistani state. The Pakistani establishment must account for it. The human rights of an Indian citizen have been violated, and India would not only take it up with Pakistan, but if necessary, take it up with at appropriate international fora to see that our protest and our strong and unambiguous protest, our very strong condemnation is registered and registered properly.
That the center is essentially not able to give a strong message to Pakistan. Had they responded appropriately after the bleeding of the soldiers, this incident may not have been taken.
Well, I do not want to react to what the Bharatiya Janata Party has said. You know, unfortunately, they just want to politicize every issue, even in a moment of regret, in a moment of deep anguish, in a moment of grief. What these people can think about is only politics. I do not even want to go down that road